Look 18 years younger using Vaseline and egg white. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing beauty hack that's been passed down through generations in Asia. If you've ever wondered how to achieve that youthful glow and look 18 years younger, you're in for a treat. We're going to unveil the secret recipe using two simple ingredients, Vaseline and egg whites. So, let's dive right into it. Before we get started, let's talk about why Vaseline and egg whites are so effective. Vaseline, also known as petroleum jelly, is a classic moisturizer that locks in hydration and creates a barrier to protect the skin. Egg whites, on the other hand, are rich in proteins that can help tighten and firm your skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step process. Preparing the mask. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need a tablespoon of Vaseline and 1 egg white. Make sure to wash your face thoroughly before applying the mask. Now, let's move on to the mixing process. Take a clean bowl and combine the egg white with the Vaseline. Mix it well until you get a smooth and consistent mixture. The egg white will help the Vaseline penetrate your skin more effectively. Applying the mask. Now that your mask is ready, it's time to apply it to your face. Use clean fingers or a brush to evenly spread the mixture over your face and neck. Avoid the eye area and the lips. This mask not only tightens and firms the skin but also provides deep hydration. Relaxation time. Once you've applied the mask, take some time to relax and let the magic happen. Find a comfortable spot and let the mask sit on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes. You might feel a slight tightening sensation, which is completely normal. Rinsing and results. After the mask has worked its wonders, it's time to rinse it off. Use lukewarm water to gently wash away the mask. You'll immediately notice how soft and smooth your skin feels. And now, for the exciting part, the results. Your skin should appear more radiant, plump, and rejuvenated. With regular use, this Asian beauty hack can help you achieve a youthful glow that can make you look up to 18 years younger. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to keep in mind. First, perform a patch test before applying the mask to your entire face to ensure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Second, consistency is key. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. And lastly, don't forget to maintain a healthy skincare routine and stay hydrated for long-lasting results. That's a wrap on today's video. If you found this beauty hack interesting, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks.